Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi Khurana and I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I am going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also I am going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and interactive way. Now, we are going to cover the chapter named as In the Zoo. This chapter is of class 5. It is from the UP board. Chapter number is 3 and the subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is naming method. The time required to implement this idea is around 20 minutes. The innovation is that we initiate the naming into the learning pedagogy. The pre-arrangement that needs to be done, educator needs to make some chits with 30 names on it. Initiate the conversation by naming the students into something specific and assigning them these names for the day. Also ask the student to attach the slips to their on their shirt. For example, in chapter 1, we'll say student 1 is tiger, student 2 is zebra, student 3 is camel, and so on, monkey, pigeon, etc. etc. And on the other day, after 2 days, when students have their name, and then students will be called. So student number 1 is tiger, which is from Bengal. Student number 2 is zebra, which is near the pond. Student number 3 is pigeon, which is on the tree, and so on. Conclusion that can be done is through this idea we can have certain learning outcomes, such as students will be able to respond orally in any language including the sign language. Also they will be able to listen to English words, they will be able to do greetings and have polite form of expression. They will be able to learn new words and use them in daily sentences. The notes that can be taken are this idea from this idea is helping in relating with the concept and using these words in their daily lives. The duration of this activity can be changed according to the teacher and pupil ratio. We have taken 30 to 1, so it'll be around 20 minutes, but it can change according to the classroom. Also this activity ensures that active participation in the classroom, which is the key aspect of peer learning. Also the core life skills that can be included are effective communication and self-awareness. The values that can be touched upon are the ability to wait, that is patience. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.